models doing makeup, models doing hair, models taking selfies, dancing in their underwear. It's TMZ Mega Model Explosion Blast!
It is the best time of the year, everybody.
Yes, Veterans Day, where we honor the brave men and women.
The Victoria's Secret fashion show.
Oh, right. Incidentally, thank you for your service. But yes, the Victoria's Secret fashion show!
We had Gigi Hadid, who slayed. And then Kendall Jenner came out, and she killed it too.
But the real show was backstage.
Bahati Prinsloo jumped up on a table in lingerie and just started posing down.
Oh, yeah! Bahatsi Tatsi! So great to see behind the scenes of the hard world of walking. And we got inside scoop on what's on these models' minds.
A majority of the models have food on the brain.
And in the toilet.
Eating disorders. Anyway, here's Shanina Shake.
What food are you most excited to eat after the show?
Chocolate and ice cream.
Yum! And Pauline Harrell.
Like pizza or something like that.
Double yum! And what are you gonna eat, Magdalena Frakowiak?
What? No, guys, but not with this kind of questions. This is stupid.
She was hangry, for sure.
She's 2 hamburgers shy of a train back to Eastern Europe. That's the reality of the situation, Magdalena Fracaccio, so...
So, congratulations on the show, models!